Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Melissa with Crazy Love Bath & Body. Today we're going to be making Mermaid Dream soap. I'm going to be making 20 pounds of soap today with you, and I hope you enjoy it. We're also going to be cutting it, so stay tuned to the end. And like and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and let's go make some soap. Okay, so we've got our oils in here. I've got coconut, castor, olive, and palm oil. I've got my lye water solution ready to go, and we're just going to add this in and then blend it on up with our stick blender. Okay, so I've got that all mixed up. Just gonna take my spatula and just make sure we got everything incorporated here. This is a new soap that we're making. Mermaid Dreams has been really popular, actually. We're almost sold out. I'm gonna add the fragrance oil. I already have it measured out. And then we'll blend this up. But oh, it smells so good, guys. And I was quite surprised at how popular it was just off the bat. All right, let me blend this up. Okay, we're at a light trace. I don't want to mix it too much because I still have to add the colorant, split it, and add the colorant. So we're gonna do 2 different colors here. Well, 3 different colors total. Let's see if I can pour this in. These are easier to work with, so we're going to switch what we're doing. Because I know these small white containers are not going to hold as much as I want. So we're just gonna quickly switch them. Okay, I'm much happier with the way that looks. Okay, we're going to do this main container in the blue. I was trying to decide what I wanted to do. And this one is Azure Blue Mica. And it is beautiful. And we're gonna do Flower Girl for the pink. And that Flower Girl is from Nurture Soap. And we're gonna do Orchid Purple. This is my favorite purple. I love it. Cannot get enough of this. I actually think I'm gonna add a little bit more pink because I really like this soap to be pretty vibrant. Okay, let's mix that all up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pour, let's pour this pink in first. I'm gonna pour this pink in this corner and also in this corner. And then I will wait and scrape my bucket for the top. And then this purple, I'm gonna do the opposite corner is the pink, and then the opposite corner also. And I'll wait to scrape that when we scrape the top. All right, let me get my mold. Okay, so I have my 20-pound slab mold here. It's covered in freezer paper. And then I have my 20 pounds of soap to be poured into it. And I'm just gonna pick any corner and just start pouring and go from the middle of the mold out to the edges. This is a soap that I thought about and thought about and thought about, and you know, the pandemic hit and I was like, well, let's wait and release a new soap later and maybe we'll do it next year. And I just got to thinking about it and was like, you know what? We need a little mermaid magic in our lives right now. Let's do it now. And so we released it about a couple weeks ago and it is almost sold out already. It has been incredible to see it just, everyone love it. It helps that it reminds them of a mermaid. So I'm just putting this on here kind of just wherever. I normally don't leave this much on top of the soap, but every batch is different. All right, so I'm just gonna mix this up real fast with a swirl on the top, and we will put some glitter on it. So let me get my chopstick. Okay, so I'm just gonna do a little swirl, not too fancy. All right, so I got all that in there. And sometimes I just can't stop swirling. I just can't stop touching it. So I just gotta be done sometimes. I'm just gonna go along the edges, clean them up a little bit like this. And then I will add our glitter. So this is Silver Rainbow Echo Glitter. And I'm just gonna kind of sprinkle it in the very center of the soap here. It looks like a lot, but it's not that much, and it washes off. So it's not gonna be glitter on your skin. But this is what everybody loves about this soap. And what is better than glitter? I mean, come on guys, doesn't that add so much more to the soap? So I will bring you guys back around when it's time to cut, and I will show you guys that. But this is Mermaid Dreams. Okay, so we're back with our Mermaid Dreams soap. It's been sitting for about 48 hours. I unmolded it and we are ready to cut it into loaves and into individual bars. That is the best part, is getting to see the inside and the different swirl and see how it turned out. So let's go get our cutter and we'll get the soap cut. All right, so we have our individual loaves on our cutter, and I've got it all lined up, and we are just going to see what this swirl looks like on the inside. All right, I don't know about you guys, but I am ready for fall. October is my favorite month. It's also my birthday month, and I am ready to cozy up on the couch, have some hot cocoa with a blanket. Oh, it's just the best. It's my absolute favorite. Okay. I would love to know what your favorite season is. If you want to comment below. Do you like the summer and the beach? Do you prefer winter and all the snow and cuddling up? I had so much fun making that soap with you guys. Thank you for joining us. If you haven't done so already, please like and subscribe. All of our products are available on our website at crazylovebath.com. All of our Mermaid Dreams products, anything, your favorites are all on that website. So go check us out, and also comment down below what your favorite season is. Mine is fall. It's my birthday month. I'm a little partial to it. So we'll see you guys next week for another soap video.